Well, one state where the rollout of the vaccination has been crowded, of course, is Florida, where people have lined up to get this vaccine, many of them camping overnight or even sleeping in their cars waiting to get this shot. Let's check in with NewsNation correspondent Brian Enton. He's live for us tonight in Miami. Brian?
Joe, it is quiet out here tonight, but you should have seen this place today. It was so crowded, lines and lines of people lined up all along the major roads here waiting to get into this park behind me and get a vaccine, and many of them told us they were frustrated.
There you go.
At a news conference today, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis watched as first responders got their COVID vaccines. It was fast and efficient, but it's a very different story at the public vaccination sites like this one in Davie, Florida, where the elderly waited hours for the shot.
Can we ask you how it went?
Don't ask.
It wasn't good?
He got the shot. They wouldn't allow me, even though I was approved, but another story. I'm not happy.
Long wait?
4 hours.
For people to wait 3 and 4 or 5 hours, it doesn't, that's not organized. It's not fair to the people, especially elderly people.
And the people in line are the lucky ones who were able to sign up. The health department website and phone lines crashed over the weekend.
This morning, I made 12 phone calls.
You have reached a non-working number. Your call cannot be completed.
That number still will not let you through.
The federal government leaves it up to the states to decide how to distribute the vaccine. According to the CDC, more than 15 million doses of the COVID vaccine have been distributed nationwide, but just 4.5 million people have actually been vaccinated. Distribution is slow from coast to coast.
We are not where we want to be, no doubt about that, but I think we can get there if we really accelerate, get some momentum going, and see what happens.
In Cleveland, Ohio, where some weeks 150 police officers can't work because of COVID, officers are frustrated waiting on their vaccines.
We got to keep maintaining our job, and we got to come to work every day.
In Salt Lake City, Utah, this mom, a sick 9/11 first responder, and her daughter with Down syndrome have been trying to get the vaccine for weeks.
It's very sad that we've all come this far, and so many people like myself sit and wait in hopes that, we will have a chance.
Back in Florida, Governor DeSantis says the state is finalizing a plan to ramp up the vaccination process by converting COVID testing sites to vaccination sites. He says hospitals will also be held responsible if they don't speed things up.
Hospitals that do not do a good job of getting the vaccine out will have their allocations transferred to hospitals that are doing a good job in getting the vaccine out. We do not want vaccine to just be idle at some hospital system.
And it is really difficult tracking down where all of these vaccine doses are right now. The governor today said about 80% of the doses that were sent here to Florida have gone to hospitals. Right now, according to the CDC, Florida has about 1.1 million doses of the vaccine, but only 264,000 doses have actually been administered to Florida residents. Live in Davie, Florida, Brian Enton, NewsNation.